It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope you're having a great day. John's already got his 12 by 12?
Yep, white canvas covered with black paint.
Okay, so what you gonna do, John boy?
I'm gonna pour four colors: red, primary red, color shift, red flash, folk art, pure gold, and artist loft yellow. Gonna try a ring pour.
Okay, good luck.
See what happens. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's see what happens here.
Did you put,
What's that?
did you put whatchamajigger?
No, no silicone.
No silicone?
Not a drop, no.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Some
no,
cells.
interesting.
It must be because you agitated the paint, I guess, huh?
I'm agitating.
You agitated the paint like you agitate me. Pretty colors together.
Mm.
You don't like them?
To be determined.
Just like life, to be determined, right?
This black seemed awful thin today for some reason.
Really?
Yeah.
While John's doing his, I'm preparing my 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to try to do another swipe like I did before, and I like the swipe, but I left some white canvas, and when I tried to do something with that, it just didn't go right. So I'm not going to leave any canvas this time.
Oh, are you sure?
I hope. Well, last time I did bubbles. I just did like blobs and left some white showing. So this time I'm not going.
Did I tell you a snow girl in school named Bubbles?
Yes.
So,
But for those who haven't been watching, you can tell us about bubbles.
no, it's okay.
Oh no, it's floating together.
What is?
Right there.
It's too much black in the middle for it to go together, I think. Touch it or not to touch it? That's the question.
Well, like you say to me, can I always rinse it off? But that's the thing. If you only knew what you were gonna do was gonna make it better. If you could be guaranteed that. But then again, if you could be guaranteed anything, it would be wonderful, right? So guys, today the Super Bowl's on.
Super Bowl.
What you doing, Johnny boy?
I'm doing a little paint manipulating.
Doing a little what?
Paint manipulating.
Oh. Are you liking the way you're manipulating your paint?
Not really.
Oh. That's usually just me. He doesn't like the way I manipulate my paint.
It's actually, I think I am liking it.
You are liking it?
I think so.
Cool. It's interesting.
Okay, I'm gonna call it quits for now and let you get on with you're on end it and stuff. So you end it and let me just see how it looks.
Oh, you're gonna keep it like that?
I am.
Okay.
For the time being.
Okay, well, John's finished. So that we make the video shorter, we're doing painting. We're next to each other, and I'm watching him, and he's watching me, but we're painting separately so that we don't take up as much time. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings at eBay. Username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Peace, peace. Bye-bye.